In this video, I'll show you how to change the DNS server on your Windows 11 PC. Method 1. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Network and Internet. Then choose your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Hardware Properties. Then find DNS Server Assignment and select Edit. Change the setting from Automatic DHCP to Manual. Turn on IPv4, then enter your preferred DNS server addresses. For example, you can use Google DNS, preferred 8.8.8.8 alternate, DNS 1.1.1.1. After entering the DNS addresses, click Save. Method 2. Change the DNS server using Network Adapter Properties. First, press Windows +R. Now type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Network Connections window. Next, right-click your active network adapter, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. In the list, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now, enter your preferred DNS server. For example, Google DNS Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8 Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Then click Close to save your changes. Your computer will now use the new DNS server for internet connections. That's it. You've successfully changed the DNS server in Windows 11 using Network Adapter Properties. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.